Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Celebi in Brick Bronze. To begin, you'll want to head over to the designated area where the special quest begins. Look for the specific non-player character who will give you the initial task. Make sure your Pokémon team is well prepared and at a good level, as this quest often involves several battles and puzzles. Having a balanced team with diverse types will be very helpful for the challenges you'll face. Once you've accepted the quest, the first few steps typically involve a bit of exploration. You'll be tasked with finding and collecting a few specific items, which are usually scattered across various areas of the game world. Pay close attention to the clues provided by the non-player characters. Along the way, expect to encounter several trainer battles, so keep your Pokémon healed and ready for action. These battles are crucial for advancing the story. As you delve deeper into the quest, you'll face more complex challenges. This often includes solving various environmental puzzles that block your path, requiring keen observation and sometimes specific Pokémon abilities. Be prepared to battle some formidable wild Pokémon or even a few boss trainers who stand in your way. You might also need to navigate through intricate dungeons or mazes. Take your time and explore every corner to find the correct route and progress. Finally, after successfully completing all quest objectives and overcoming every obstacle, you will reach the culmination of your journey. This is where you will encounter the mythical Pokémon, Celebi. Interact with Celebi to initiate the final sequence, which usually involves a special event or a battle. Once you've successfully completed this last step, Celebi will join your team. Congratulations on obtaining this rare and powerful Pokémon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.